Welcome back to the Law of One. If you've ever felt like you don't quite belong here, like Earth feels a bit too loud, too harsh, too chaotic for your spirit, or like your heart carries a wisdom you can't explain, you might be what the Law of One calls a wanderer. What is a wanderer in the Law of One? Wanderers are souls who have already evolved beyond third density. They come from higher realms of consciousness, fourth, fifth, even sixth density, where love, wisdom, and unity are deeply understood. And yet, they choose to return to third density planets like Earth. Why? To serve. To awaken. To help raise the collective vibration. Wanderers are volunteers. They leave the harmony of higher realms and step into the chaos of Earth, because love called them here. Why come to Earth now? Earth is at a crossroads. We are transitioning from third density to fourth density, a new vibration of love, understanding, and unity. But this shift isn't automatic. It requires conscious beings to anchor the new energy. Wanderers come to assist in that process, to be living reminders of light in a world that often forgets. Their energy. Their quiet acts of love, their very being, signs you may be a wanderer, according to the Law of One. Many wanderers don't remember who they are. The veil of forgetting applies to them, too. But there are signs, whispers beneath the surface, a deep sense of not belonging, strong compassion for others, often overwhelming, sensitivity to injustice, cruelty, or disconnection, a natural pull towards spirituality, even from a young age, feeling like your real home is somewhere beyond the stars, a longing to help, even if you're not sure how. Does this sound familiar? If so, don't be alarmed. You're not broken, you're remembering. The Wanderer's Challenge. The Law of One makes it clear. Wanderers are vulnerable to the same confusion and suffering as anyone on Earth. In fact, they often struggle more, because the density of this world can feel suffocating to a soul used to light. Many wanderers forget why they came. They get lost in the illusion. They feel depressed, anxious, disconnected. But here's the good news. You don't have to figure it all out. You just have to wake up and live from love. Your mission is not grandiose. It's not about being famous, perfect, or powerful. It's about being yourself, your true self. Authentic. Kind. Awake. In a world that's forgotten what that looks like. Final reflection. So if you feel like Earth isn't your original home, that may be because it isn't. But you're here now by choice, and your presence matters more than you know. You are a frequency holder, a light in the dark, a quiet reminder that love is real, and unity is not a dream, but a destiny. In the next lesson, we'll explore Earth's transition to fourth density, what it means,